What is going on, guys? Back here with another video. This is going to be a quick one, and it's not a happy video. Now, one of the things on this truck that I had told people that I really loved has turned out to really disappoint me. And what that is this tonneau cover. Now, I love the way it sits, how flat it is, how sturdy it is. You know, it doesn't make any noise when you're driving. Everything about it I love. It, you know, it rolls up out of the way, it doesn't take up a lot of space. But there's a problem. That problem is the quality of the material. So I don't know if you can see, it is the Bak Industries Revolver X2. And if you could see here, this is peeling up, but it's not just coming unglued. I mean, it is shrinking. And it's not like I live in an extremely hot climate or anything, but I did notice, especially now with the weather changing and it heating and things getting cold at night and warm during the day, it's getting worse and worse, and this glue's coming undone. And the material is just shrinking. Now, you see on this side, it's shrinking on this side, so it's not like it's gotten pulled over sideways, it's just shrinking. Now, they know they do have an X4 that's got a different material. It's almost like a bed liner material, but if it's the same thing where it's just glued on top of the aluminum plates, it's not going to be any different, I don't think. So, I mean, the tonneau covers, if you've shopped around, they're not cheap. I think it was what, $1,200 for that, around $1,200 for that. I installed it. I absolutely loved it. I've been looking around for another company that makes something similar, and I have not been able to find one. So if you guys know of a good tonneau cover, I don't want one that flips up, because you know, if they flip up, then to get it to get your bed completely open, you either have to block your back window. I really like this one that just rolled up. It took a little bit. I know there's some canister ones where you just have a canister here and it rolls up. Now, as long as the canister is not too big, I wouldn't be opposed to one of those. But what do you guys recommend? Surely there's better companies to work with out there. The fact that they won't even entertain doing anything about this, they don't even want to discuss it with me. You know, if it's a warranty item and it's something I did to screw it up, I could see you saying, oh no, that's not. But there's nothing I did to cause this material to just start peeling and shrinking. And you know, I'm not the only one that's had this problem. I've just watched a couple other videos, and I know Eddie's Life is one. He had a similar issue with the Bak Industries. I know there's others out there that are having similar issues where, and it really just crushes me because I absolutely love the product. I wish it was a bit better built and lasted longer, because then I would be all about it. But you know, after a year and a half, that's for the materials just to start failing. That's ridiculous, especially when it's not something I roll up and down. You know, maybe once a week, probably even less than that is when I roll that up. Quite honestly, probably once a month is how often I roll that up. And you know, so it should be able to withstand more than 12 times a year of rolling up and temperatures. I live in Indiana. It's normal summer, pretty normal winter, and everything in between. It's not like I live in the middle of the desert or the middle of the Swiss Alps or something where it's extreme temperatures either way. So it should just last. It should work. But so yeah, I'm done with them. Done with Bak Industries. I'm looking for a new tonneau cover. Like I said, the things I'm interested in, I love how flat it sits. You know, if you look at the profile there, it's just completely flat across. I love that about that. And then when you roll it up, it's very simple. Now, doesn't take up much of the bed space, doesn't take up, block much of the window. And then when you unroll it, locks into place. When you close the trunk of your, the bed of your car, the bed of your truck, it completely seals this, locks it in. So, I mean, in order to actually get into the trunk, you would have to cut through the aluminum. Pretty secure. That's more than secure enough for what I'd need. And good, and you?
I like that trim.
Oh, thanks. So yeah, I mean, that's what I'm looking for in a tonneau cover. If you guys have any recommendations, please let me know. Another short video, but I just wanted to record one because I know I have mentioned in other videos that how awesome this cover is. So I did want to put another video out to update you on that and let you know that yeah, it is an awesome tonneau cover, but the quality just is not there under the circumstances and the fact how their customer service has been. Trying to get in touch with them, I'm just done with them. I'm going to find a different company, a different tonneau cover. So I'd love to hear what recommendations you might have. Please go ahead and leave a comment down below if you have one. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got some information out of it, and hopefully save you from spending money on a cover that is not going to last. So if you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.